All right, you might be thinking, what is going on my TV right now? The pipes work, folks, at the new Globe Life Field in Arlington. Texas Rangers' new stadium hit a key milestone as every toilet in the facility was flushed for the first time and at just about the same time. The Super Flush event is a stress test on the facility's plumbing system, ensuring that it can handle maximum water usage that can be created by sporting events. That includes 860 water closets, 260 urinals, and 2,600 total plumbing fixtures were utilized. Over 300 students from Arlington ISD's Career and Technical Education Center participated in what's being dubbed as the Super Flush. Construction is 94% complete over there, with the first event set for March 14th.